Our grandfathers were the pioneers of technical development, and everything started with the steam engine and so on until today. We fly into space and everything is controlled by a tiny chip that can be embedded in the human mind. Progress cannot be stopped. Any worker doing his job must be qualified. And those actions that he performs are worked out for automatism. Well-coordinated work of workers allows to increase labor productivity. Girls, despite their fragility and vulnerability in emergency situations, can replace men. As time goes by, technologies are modernized and changed. The purpose and manufacturability of modern machines are also changing. Construction work is highly valued in the modern world. Builders are high-level craftsmen who work in any weather. Bricklaying, wall plastering. Without this, not a single house will be built. Today's specialists are very different from those workers who worked in factories a few decades ago. And the production processes themselves are very different. Over the past 100 years, most businesses have been automated. Program-controlled lathes are a new approach to manufacturing. As time goes on, technology is modernized and improved. Machines of the old years amaze with their simplicity and power. Steam-powered machines were created many years ago and still work today. Woodworking equipment is needed for processing wood, which is used in construction, furniture manufacturing, and more. Today's workers are very different from the workers who worked in manufacturing 100 years ago. And today's production processes are very different from the production processes 100 years ago. Today you will see the most skilled workers in production processes that are used in our century. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. Any worker doing his job must be qualified. And those actions that he performs are worked out for automatism. Well-coordinated work of workers allows to increase labor productivity. Over the past 100 years, most businesses have been automated. Program-controlled lathes are a new approach to manufacturing.